awareness, and we have been waiting for you.
Nk'omuringo gumwe gw'okukwatiraho enshoberwa n'okuyamba abari omu bukene, aba Lions Club ya Shema barugire kwombekera efakazi bwanyuma y'okushanga ngu enju ei yabaire naatuuramu kumara obwire buringwa eri omu mbeera mbi.
Nsangire ngu nimuteraho omwana wanje enju egi mbwenu nyina amashemererwa Yesu ayimwihire ayongereho n'obutureta akahereze konka ntimangu nikiza kugera kiza kukorwa mu izina ryo rya Yesu mbwenu Mukama abampera omugisha.
Bebembirwe Gavana wa District 11B erikutwara amahanga nka Kenya, Tanzania, Ethiopia na Rwanda, Ryan Job Chikano Byarugaba ori omu rutayayo okuronda ebizibu ebirikuba nibiteganisa ebyanga nk'enjara, eby'amagara, eby'obuhangwa hamwe n'ebindi. Aba Lions Club ya Shema batayireho efakazi omuri Nyabuhama, Ndembo Ward omuri Kagango Shema ayombekiirwe enju erikuza kumaraho $3.5 million.
Where there is a need, there is a lion. And as lions, we serve, we care, and accomplish. So, twashangiye ngo muri Nyakabera harimo need. Umwanya ogu harimo omukyara bamwita Nabanja Sara. Omukyara ogu akafuirwa omushaija we yamusigira enju ye twarabaho ekyo. Twashikira omwanya ogu twashanga omukyara ogu ari omu mbeera mbi neza kumuteera.
Merirwe okushemererwa okutakwawa kumwenda okuntakubasa kugambira na muntu akanchenga abokuba nkaba ndiyo njantu Mukama akantine sente z'okunyombekera enju kayaza kwiruma kantera Mukama niza kukora ki mwenu weza nshemerirwe.
President wa Lions Club ya Shema Ryan Enoch Tinkasimire ashoborera embere yibashangire mu efakazi egi kuza kujombekera.
Tukashanga twabentu gukora home visits every month tukira kugera Lion utwatayayira, so tukuba tumutayayire twahikayo nkokwe twashangayire nko muntu ari kuri munonga. For example kana Banja tukashanga aina abana mukaga omunju akaferwiba enju riyo neza kumutera
no kugira ngo abakuzire begese okukira abato okurondora ebizibu ebirikuteganisa ebyanga byabo.
I became a cop because I saw very many people suffering, and I want to serve them and they get out of those problems.
Become a Leo because of certain circumstances that were around my home place. In my home place, many people are suffering of poverty. They don't help themselves. Others are disabled. They don't have energy to work on their own.
Ekikorwa eki na munonga mu mwaka ogu kishoborekirirwe kukiri kuteeba n'engenderwaho y'omwaka ogu kurigirira ahari District Governor.
Our current international president's theme, rooted in service. So in whatever we are doing, we need to promote our international president's theme, rooted in service. Also promote the current governor's theme, service with passion from your heart.
Ndakusima aba project egi ya Sara kandi nahi yahika tumanyangu yegwe mikono yawe namwe ndukushaba wongere kukanyisara resources kandi abahire engaro zabo zitarikena mabashashanire engaro zabo abo muhereza wawe na Banja mbone ni kweshengereza ngo niwe ushashanire engaro zabo bahereza omugisha.
Lions Club ya Shema etandikaho ekozire ebintu bingi ebirikurebekaho hariho kwombekera abashabazi obuhumuro, kuyamba amarwaro, okukwatiraho enshoberwa hamwe n'ebindi bingi. Gashakwa Gerald Tugume.